POV, I made $15,000 from literally 1 hour per week, and I'm about to show you how to do the exact same thing. As you can see, this is literally the channel that you're watching right now. 50,000 subscribers, $15,000 on 1 hour per week. Let's get into it. All right, so boom, as you can see, this is the AB Academy channel, and as you can see, we have videos. My method was basically posting a video every single day. And I know a lot of people think that's hard, but I'm about to show you how realistically easy it is to post a video every single day. Okay, cool. So first off, what you want to look at is the length of these videos. The first video was 20 minutes. The second one was 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 4 minutes, 7 minutes. So we gonna say it's an average of 10 minutes per video, right? And sometimes the video, as you can see, is 4 minutes. And when I was doing my load ups, which is what I call it, I'm gonna get into that a little later. I'm about to give you the whole blueprint, man. So make sure you take notes. Make sure you do whatever you got to do. I'm literally showing you exactly what I did on the back end to get this amount of money from 1 hour a week. And let me show you. So when I was doing my load ups, I basically put an hour on a timer, and every time, sometimes it went a little over, sometimes it went a little under. Every time I would be able to do all 7 videos within that hour. Obviously 60 minutes is an hour, and some of these videos was less than 10 minutes. So I was able to get 7 videos per hour, right? So what I would do is do 7 videos, make 7 thumbnails, and the thumbnails is, as you can see, the same exact thing. I just do different episodes. Make 7 thumbnails, post 7 videos, and you post videos at the exact same time. It is extremely easy. Every Saturday, what I would do is take 1 hour out of my day, do every video, post every video, and for the remainder of the week, not even think about the channel. You know what I mean? From 1 hour a week, I was able to make $15,000, and I'm about to show you the exact back-end system. Now, this right here is gonna change minds, change lives. As you can see, I got it named Test AB Academy. This is exactly how my back-end system looks, but it actually has my video ideas. I got over 100 video ideas on mine right now, and it says ideas, script, mirror. I put 7 different test ideas because, like I told you, I do 7 videos every Saturday. You know what I mean? As you can see, today is my load up day, so I'm doing 7 videos. That's why when I do my videos, y'all probably see me in the same outfit type shit. It'd be the same day. You know what I mean? I know what I'm gonna do because of this. So throughout the week, I come up with my video ideas, whether I do my market research or whether I'm talking to somebody and I come up with a video idea. I can even be watching TV and I'd be like, oh, that'll be a good idea for the academy. I'll jot them on my board right here. And if you want this board, stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna show you how to get it. That's gonna be a good incentive for you to stay to the end. So make sure you like the video if you made it this far. So as you can see, test idea 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I do is throughout the week, I put my ideas on this board. Now, every day when I wake up, I have my ideas and I eventually script them. You can script them on the day of your videos, or you can script them on the days that you don't want, that you ain't got nothing to do. You know what I'm saying? It's always time to do something. I know you got time to scroll social media. I know you got time to goddamn go to sleep, take a nap. So you got time to script the video, bro. You know what I mean? So for example, test idea 1, move it to script. And sometimes it don't even need no script, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially in the earlier days of AB Academy, I literally just got a video idea and I talk about that shit for 5 to 10 minutes. You know, if you seriously love what you're doing, if you seriously are knowledgeable about what you're doing, you could talk about that shit for 5 to 10 minutes. In my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I talk about it for 5 to 10 minutes. For example, I'm talking about this Trello system that I've been using for a long time. I could talk about this all day if I wanted to, you know? So you move the idea to script. Once you got this idea scripted, and when I say script, I don't mean a heavy thought out thing. This is different for different channels, of course, but for this channel, step 1, step 2, step 3. That's literally what I mean by a script. I just write down what I'm gonna be talking about during that video. Now that I got my ideas that I'm gonna talk about in that video, I move it to mirror. This is when it gets crazy. This is when it gets lit. Because once it goes to mirror, I mirror this to, it usually go to post system, but I got a test post system. So I'm moving to the test post system and mirror that. The reason I have a post system is because I have multiple channels. This is the back end of all of my channels. Y'all are literally seeing how I run my channels. and then we're gonna switch it to the test post system. As you can see, it automatically comes here into our post system, and this is where everything has to go. Like I said, if you want this, you ain't gotta copy it. Just watch to the end of the video. So now it mirrored to our post system and go from idea, plan, film, edit, thumbnail, review, post. Hypothetically, you don't even have to have this right here. You could just have this and be a-okay, depending on if you got one channel. I have multiple channels, so I literally have a whole post system for all my channels. So all of my videos will be here from ideas of all my channels. You feel me? So boom. Once you have your idea, you plan it. Planning is basically having your script. Planning is basically giving a day where you're going to do it. Okay, cool. Now that you got your script, now that you got your day, it is officially planned. It's on your calendar. Now you're ready to film it. Once you film that video, what you got to do next? You got to edit that video. Once you edit that video, you got to thumbnail that video. We got a review tab on here. 9 times out of 10, if you're editing your own videos, you don't have to review it. I got a review tab because on some of my channels, I don't edit my own videos. So we have a review tab. And then once it gets out of review, you literally post it. And that is exactly how I ran up $15,000 in my free time. Now watch this shit right here, man. I'm gonna go back to test. Say we got test idea 2. We do the same thing. Mirror it. Boom. Test idea 3. We do the same thing. Guess what? Mirror it. Boom. Test idea 4. We do the same thing. Mirror it. Boom. Y'all get the idea. We just did 4 videos where we took it through the whole system. Now when we go to post system, we got all the ideas right here. And literally it's just a drag and drop, bro. And this just keeps you organized throughout everything. It just keeps you extremely organized, extremely accountable, and yeah, nothing can go wrong when you're doing this, bro. And this is literally the same system that I've been having since I started this channel. It was a little bit less intricate in terms of all the things, but over the year, because I've been doing AB Academy for damn near a year now, over the year, I just refined it, revised it, and made it perfect. And now I feel like I'm at a perfect system. If you enjoyed this video, if you made it this far, like I told y'all, if you made it this far, I'm going to show you a way to get this. You know what I mean? But before I show you how to get this, let me show you this. This is AB Academy. We got 2 more posts loaded. This is AB Academy. If you don't know, this is literally my community for people just like you. You know what I mean? The reason I'm showing you this is because when you join AB Academy, not only do you get a community of like-minded people, you know what I mean? A community right here. Not only do you get people who's winning at life, get monetized on different platforms, so you know that it's possible for you to do it too. Not only do you get this classroom section of a 30-day YouTube acceleration course that if you follow, you'll get crazy results. Not only do you get this YouTube masterclass of everything that I know about YouTube, not only do you get all of these calls, literally with Avery B, not only do you get all of that, but for right now, for today, once you join the academy, I will literally give you this whole system here. You know what I mean? I'll give you a template of this system. So if this sounds good to you, click the link in the description, join AB Academy, and I'll see you there.